Welcome again to ragurkul.com. In this video, we'll discuss about how to get Jira issues comment through REST API. When we talk about REST API, Jira REST API, it's very much important. We need to have the administrator login credentials, or we should have the access to access the issue page. When we can see in the Jira issue, you can find all the list of issues available inside the project. So we'll see here how to get this issues comment, where you can see this is the comment which is available inside this issue. So if you want to extract the issue comment through REST API, then we need to request from any REST API application. As of now, I'm using here Postman. So if you want to understand each and everything is detailed, don't forget to watch the complete video. And if you are new to this channel, consider subscribing and pressing bell icon for more updates. So let's understand how we can call the comment which is available inside the Jira REST API. So here you can see in the REST API sections where you can extract the issues comment through REST API. For this, we have to send the request through any REST application, and from there we will get the REST API response. So right now I'm going to use get method, where we have to define this domain name which we are using on regular basis. If you don't know about how to do the configurations or authorization section, please watch my previous session. In authorization session, you need to create the username and password, and post that you're able to perform this activity. In the body sections, you will get the complete output. Here, finally, we have to define the path and post that I am going to add the actual content. Post that when we will request this, we'll get the Jira issues comment in REST response. Here, I am going to call this comment inside my Postman. So this is the issue ID where from where I want the data. So I'm giving here demo demo 4 and post that forward slash then the comment. So when I will send this request, I will get the complete comment which is available in my REST API. You can also see the complete detail about the comment. You can see comments, who has commented it, author, the email address of that commenter, and what is the comment type. You can see display name, activity is true, and the portal. Add comment is the actual text where that comment is available inside the Jira. So this is how we can extract the comment detail through Jira REST API. You can find out the complete detail about this in Jira web page. You can see here. You can also modify different other sections, like which all parameters you want to use, is like permissions required and start a maximum result, the maximum number of items to return per page, order by is the schedules by fields accept created to sort comments by the created date. Expand is basically use expand to include additional information about comments in the response. This is how we can extract the REST API contained through Postman. Hope you liked it. If you really enjoy it and you think so, this is useful, don't forget to share within your circle. Thank you for watching.